To refer friends on Remitly, start by opening a web browser and typing in Remitly or remitly.com, which should be one of the first options to appear. Click on the website, and you will see a similar layout with sign up and login options at the top. Select the login option and enter your email and password to access your Remitly account. If you don't have an account, you can also create one from this page. Once logged in, navigate to the Remitly homepage, where you will see options such as send money, transfer history, refer friends, and more. Click on Refer Friends to proceed. Here, you will find the option to save money by referring friends, and you can share your special Remitly link via email, text message, or social media. To do this, simply copy the link provided and send it to your friends using your preferred platform, such as email, SMS, WhatsApp, or Facebook. This allows you to easily share the link with others. By referring friends, you can take advantage of the benefits offered by Remitly.